Hi, Margaret. Happy 18th birthday, Iha. May this birthday be just the beginning of a year filled with happy memories, wonderful moments, and shining dreams. I just want you to remember this, that life has no limits. It's unpredictable, thrilling, and awesome. And to live fully, you've got to seize opportunity. Roll with the punches, be a little daring, and above all, keep your head in the game. That's what I told to my kids, April and Jericho. To succeed, you've got to have focus, the ability to see the big picture, the courage to dig in and persevere, so that when life throws you a curve, you don't get derailed, because life keeps you guessing. Dreams are very powerful, but every goal has a price tag. There's research to be done, studying to do, and practice, practice, and practice. As the saying goes, practice makes perfect. The best way to attain and any desire is to pay the full price. Do the work and you will reach your goals. Anything's possible if you put your mind to it. Go for it. So, in behalf of the Pasqua Burnhurst family, happy 18th birthday. We wish you a wonderful life filled with love and happiness. You are very special and you deserve the best. Your mom and your dad will be proud of you. Welcome to the world of adulthood. May God bless you. It's me, Tita Venos.